Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions today after the call, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's go ahead and move on and talk about the telephone messages that you leave when you call a prospect and you get a voicemail. You can't get through. You're asked to leave a message. Well, basically, this is for voicemail or to leave on a message on a machine or something like that. So let's talk about telephone messages. Now, I have two examples. All right. Basically, again, this is attachment number 7. I've got two examples. One is for the incoming telephone, which is basically somebody that's calling into you, what they're going to hear on your answering machine or your voicemail. Basically, here's what I have in a nutshell, real simple. This is a recording that all incoming callers hear when they call at non-business hours on our main business line. Okay, here's what they hear. They hear, hello and welcome. You've reached Logistic Dynamics at 626-309-9141. Our normal business hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leave your name and number twice. Again, leave your name and number twice, and we will return your call during normal business hours. Thank you. It's plain, it's simple, it gets the job done. That is what individuals will hear when they call in on our main business line and we're basically done doing business for today. That is the incoming telephone or voicemail recording. Now, telephone message number 2 is the message to prospects, the message to your prospects and your future customers when you're actually calling them and you're unable to get through to them for whatever reason. They have an answering machine or you get through to their voicemail. Here's the message that you are going to leave with them. It's so simple. Leave this message. Again, this is the only message I leave for business prospects and future customers. After hearing their telephone recording, I keep leaving this message until I finally speak to them. Here is the message. It goes like this. Blank. Hi, it's Ted Keys from Logistic Dynamics. Call me at 626-309-9141. It's blank o'clock your time. Thanks. Real simple. Again, it's so simple, and your goal is to make it sound like you've spoken to these individuals before. If you make it sound that way, they're going to have a desire to call you back. But if you call up and say, hello, I'm on, you're stumbling and fumbling around just saying your name, your full name, the reason why you're calling, there's a 100% chance, or let's just say this, there's a high probability that your prospect and your future customer will not call you back. Your goal is to leave a message as simple as possible. This here is as simple as you can get. Let me say it one more time. Blank. Hi, it's Ted Keys from Logistic Dynamics. Call me at 626-309-9141. It's blank o'clock your time. Thanks. Real simple. Why am I going over telephone messages? Because a lot of what you're doing during this segment is about making telephone calls. It goes hand in hand with that data I just went over. Again, 80% of your sales will come between the 5th and the 12th contact. Again, that's picking this tool up here and utilize it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 12. That is when you will see your sales results occur. So that's why I'm going over telephone messages. Very, very important that you hear the right one, or that your prospects and customers hear the right one they call, and that you leave the right one when you call out. Do you have any questions about today's call, or more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. Again, I'll take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week, same time. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.